quantitative division is having some amount of stuff, sharing equally with some number of groups, and determining how much ends up in one group. So our problem is 2,890 divided by 34. So I have 2,890 cookies and I have 34 groups. And I want to give each group the evenly amount of cookies. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off here. So I have 2,890 cookies and I want to divide it into the 34 groups. So can I give each group 1,000 cookies? So can I give each group 1,000 cookies? If so, how many times? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 100 cookies times 34 groups. Gives me 34,000 cookies, which is something I don't have. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 here. Now I'm going to go to the next step. Can I give each group 100 cookies? So can I give each group 100 cookies? So what I'm going to do now is going to be 100 cookies, and I have 34 groups. I'm going to multiply to see if I can. So that's going to give me 3,400. And I only have 2,890 cookies, so I can't give each group 100 cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and put another 0 up here. Okay, so can I give each group 10 cookies? Well, so can I give each group 10 cookies? So if I do 10 cookies times 34 groups, that gives me 340 cookies. So that means I can. So now I want to see how many cookies I could give each group. So if I give each group 80 cookies and I multiply that by 34 groups, that gives me 2,720. So that means I can. So I'm going to go ahead and put an 8 here on top, and I'm going to subtract 2,720 cookies to see how many cookies I have left to distribute equally to my 34 groups. So I'm going to go back here and take away my 80 cookies that I gave each group, which was the 2,720. Leaves me 170 cookies. So now, can I give each group 1 cookie? So if I give each group 1 cookie, so 34 groups times 1 cookie, each group will receive 34 cookies. And I have more than 34. I actually have 170 cookies. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply 34 times 5. So 34 groups, and each group will be getting 5 cookies. And that gives me 170 cookie, which is actually the same amount that I have up here. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 170. And I'm going to put my 5 up here. So each group received 85 cookies. And if we do 34 times 85, it gives us 2,890 cookies, which is what we started with.